I bought and installed the Gledewen spare tire hoist 2 years ago from Amazon. I installed it on my 2008 GMC 1500. Before buying this tire hoist, make sure that it will be compatible with your vehicle and your tires. It works great with the wheels on my half-ton truck, but many of the Amazon reviews comment that it does not fit on the 8-lug 3/4 ton truck wheels. If the inside diameter of your wheel is 3 inches, then this tire hoist should fit. When the cable is fully extended, it is 40 inches long. That means if you have a lifted truck, it should be able to lower your tire to the ground as long as the distance shown is no greater than 43 inches. I was worried that the quality of the tire hoist might be less than desired. The original GMC stock tire hoist has a secondary latch system that is supposed to prevent the hoist from lowering at inopportune moments. This replacement hoist does not have that latch system. The last thing I wanted was my spare tire lowering while I was driving down the road. But 2 years later, I have never had a problem with this hoist, even while traveling on very bumpy, rough, or washboarded roads. I originally purchased this product because the original GMC stock tire hoist failed while I had a flat while driving in the mountains. Even after scouring the owner's manual and following the difficult instructions to release the latch system, we were unable to lower the tire. We finally unbolted the original tire hoist and tried to get the spare tire off the hoist while it was not installed on the truck. We were still unable to get the latch to release, and we had to cut the cable to get the tire off the hoist. From my experience, I would say that the original tire hoist is not a good design, and I would recommend testing your hoist to make sure you can remove your spare tire in an emergency. Installing the hoist is pretty straightforward. So installing the tire hoist is as simple as taking it and putting it into that groove right there, lining up your bolt hole, and installing your original factory bolt, which takes a 15mm socket. Just like that. And now with the tire hoist installed, you can reinstall your factory guide tube. Just slide it through right here, slide it through here, and put this end up against your tire hoist, and then take your clip and just press them in. Now you may be wondering what you should do if you do not have the guide tube. And really, you don't really need it. If you need to access your spare tire, you can still feed your tool through here. It just might be more difficult with the spare tire in your way. Now, in order to raise or lower your tire hoist, pop open that cover, take your key, take out that plug, take the open square end of your jack tool, and turn left to lower it, and turn right to raise it. This hoist, bought off of Amazon, does not come with the bolt that is necessary to install it into the truck. This original bolt, if you need to buy one, is a 10mm by 1.5mm thread pitch and is 30mm long. About a week ago, I had another flat tire, again while I was driving in the mountains, except this time with the new Gledewen tire hoist installed on the truck. Lowering the spare tire went flawlessly. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking to replace your stock GMC tire hoist.